Hello everyone. If you are running an online business on TikTok but haven't heard of this tool yet, today I will introduce you to a tool that supports seeding for live streams. With the MKT TikTok software, you can manage and automate TikTok account growth, log in and manage multiple accounts at the same time, grow accounts by automating interactions, run multiple accounts simultaneously for higher efficiency, increase engagement, and seed video live streams, automatically like, comment, and follow based on a customized livestream list. First, go to the seeding function section, then select seeding livestream. Now let's set up the configuration. Number of concurrent threads, 12, can be adjusted depending on your computer's performance. Like and comment based on pre-prepared content. Here, I refer to ChatGPT for suggestions. Finally, copy the livestream link you want to seed, select the accounts, and press start. Once the software is running, you can monitor the results in real time, increase live viewers and accurate comments based on your prepared content. Hope you enjoy the video. If you want to try out the software, feel free to contact me. My contact details are provided below and pinned in the comments. Smiling face with smiling eyes.